So today we'll be changing the disconnect box on a central air conditioning unit. The reason for this is because when I bought the house, there was no on-off switch in the disconnect box. And you can't simply just buy an on-off switch to plug into there because there are all different sizes. So the easiest thing to do is to just change the whole box completely. The box itself is about $15 to $20. You can get the more higher end ones, but I didn't see a need to. That's the switch that I was talking about. Couldn't find it anywhere. That basically just connects the whole thing together so that the air conditioner can run. In that state, you can have it off, like in the winter, or you can have it on by flipping it upside down. So we're going to pry this open. There you see all the wires. That one's leading from the house into the box. And then the other one goes directly into the air conditioning unit. So as you can see here, there's line and load. The line is basically from the house, and the load goes directly to the air conditioning unit. Okay. So what you're going to do afterwards is you're going to go down and shut off the power to the air conditioning unit. Afterwards, what I did was just check it to see if there was any current going through it, just to be safe. And things look fine. And now I'm just going to disassemble it. So I'm removing the line first, and then afterwards I'll remove the load. Then we want to remove the ground wires. And after that we can safely remove the box once we take everything out. Here's just another view. I think my hands were getting in the way with the other view. So to disconnect that line, there's a little screw that you just kind of twist off, just so that you can loosen that wire and pull it completely out. And now that this is out, we can safely remove the box. So we just undo these screws here, where the box is attached to the wall. Then there's one screw on top. So now you can just remove the box, just lift it up. I left that screw in there for the new box. Now that we took off the plastic covering here, you can see it's the exact same thing as the older box. We want to just punch out those holes so that we can put the wires through. So you punch out the hole for the input and the one that goes to the air conditioning machine. Okay, and then this one just kind of goes on the old screw. And you just want to fish these wires back into the new box. So that's the power source. And again, the other one is the one that goes directly into the air conditioning unit. We're going to put that ring back on. Going to secure it, make sure it's tight. And once you have the other side in, then we can loosen these screws and we can just feed the wires back in. So you want to put the line from the house into the one that's marked line, and you want to put the one that's going directly to the air conditioner on the other one beside it. Okay, and usually that's marked load. And after doing the red wires, you want to do the ground wires as well. Now that that's done, you can put the plastic cover back on. And over here, we have that set to on. For the winter, I'll put that to off. And there you have it. So that's it for the installation, guys. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. And for the summer, I'm going to have some nice central air going. See you guys next time.